Split a Python list into other sublists, i.e. smaller lists. I have a Python list which runs into 1000s. Something like where len data equals say 1003. I would now like to create a subset of this list, data, by splitting the original list into chunks of 100. So, at the end, I'd like to have something like Is there a Pythonic way to achieve this task? Obviously I can use data 0:100, and so on, but I am assuming that is terribly non-Pythonic and very inefficient. Many thanks.
I'd say, if you're using Python 2.x instead of 3.x, you can be more memory efficient by using zring, changing the above code to
Actually, I think using plain slices is the best solution in this case. If you want to avoid copying the slices, you could use itertools.islice, but it doesn't seem to be necessary here. The itertools documentation also contains the famous grouper pattern. You would need to modify it to treat the last chunk correctly, so I think the straightforward solution using plain slices is preferable.
This is equivalent to the accepted answer. For example, shorten into batches of 10 for readability. Outputs.